Hey guys, so Jed Hutt from RC Wood Fab reached out to me. I'll leave a link to him below. Hey guys, so I'm here editing video. He reached out to me and said, hey man, how about doing the May the 4th be with you? So I said, well, I've never done it before. Yeah, let's do it. So I did this steampunked out R2D2. So check it out. Oh, and I'm going to use my lathe for the first time too. First time using a lathe on a project. I still got a lot to learn, but I'm having fun with it. So R2D2 on a project. So what I want to do is turn that R2D2 dome, right? I think that that's a pretty reasonable thing to start with. So that's what we're going to try to do. We're going to try to get that dome shape. So while we turn this, I'll go ahead and tell you a little story here. By the way, I'm trying to round this off, the top, dome it. So growing up, I used to really dig Star Wars. I had so many different Star Wars toys, action figures and all that. remember the C-3PO, some of you might, where it's a carrying case for the action figures and you put your action figure. It's the head of C-3PO and his shoulders, and it'd open up and you put all your figures in there. I had Yoda's swamp lair, right? It was like a little hut, I think it was. And I don't know if I mentioned the Millennium Falcon and the X-Wing fighters. It's just so much fun, all the action figures. So yeah, I grew up on Star Wars. So I remember watching on TV when Empire Strikes Back was coming out in the 80s. I forget what year it was. Maybe you could tell me, but so yeah, McDonald's was doing like a special promotion where they had like the Monopoly game, but it's Star Wars. Oh no, it wasn't. It was like a big sheet. I think it was either shaped in the form of the Death Star or that ice world that they had on Empire Strikes Back. And then you had to place all the little characters. Boy, I'm going to have to search that out because I'm not too sure. But I remember watching the commercials and getting the little, like, Monopoly-style little stickers that you'd be sticking on and to see if you could win prizes. Instead, you'd win, like, fries or a shake or whatever. But, yeah, Star Wars was amazing. I especially enjoyed the first three back in the day. So now the piece is free. Let's get rid of that little tip that's protruding. So I decided to go for the steampunk look with this little R2D2, so the dome is going to be gold. So that whiskey barrel, which is his body, his torso, that's gonna have, yeah, those rings are gonna be painted black. So we're using the Dremel to cut out that barrel look. I really love using that gunstock stain. It gives it a reddish tone, the wood. So we'll go with that. We're gonna paint those R2D2 feet gold as well. For the rivets, I took some tacky glue and I just kneaded it. And now we'll dab a little bit of silver acrylic paint to make them look like rivets. They really do look like little miniature rivets. Glad you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my videos and check out the stop motion that I made. I'll catch you next time.